before joining Infini, few of us haven't got enough exposure towards the drawing reading, which we consider as the most important parameter that we should know before going on site. We got this exposure from extremely talented and experienced Mr. Hundekar sir. He taught us from the very basics to the very best level correlating to our understanding. For example, what is the drawing name, the drawing sequence, who issued the drawing, for which purpose we are referring to such drawings, what are the types of drawings, how to segregate them, how to connect the dots between the different plans of the same project. The sessions are still in progress. We are still looking forward towards the reading and understanding about different types of drawings available on site. We thank Mr. Hundekar sir to conduct such informative sessions to Infini Institute of Construction Project Management. Thank you so much.